When you know the words to this song, sing along.
Sing along.
Oh no, honey, did you just get a sing along? They'll give you a lyric and you have to continue singing the lyric they'll give you, or else. And I'm bad.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still want to party.
Honey, you got it. You're safe. Oh no.
Mommy, what's wrong?
I just got to sing along. I'm super shy. I don't know.
Mommy, you have to sing along.
I'm super shy.
Mommy, please.
Mommy!
I love you, Grandma. I'll see you after school.
Sing along. Oh no, Grandma, did you just get a sing along? You have to sing along or else. It's a cruel summer with you. You got it, Grandma. Of course, I'm a Swiftie. When you know the words to the song. When you know the words to the song. Sing along. Sing along. You can't love anyone, because that would mean you had a heart. You're safe. I knew you would get it, sweetheart. Grandma, I'm heading to school now. Stay safe. You're all I have left after Mom died. I can't lose you too. Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm not going anywhere. Class, turn to chapter 2 in your books. Sing along. Oh no, I just gotta sing along. Got a white t-shirt? It's got a white boy on my roster! I guess math class is going to be canceled today. Bro. That joke you made in math class was extremely insensitive, Derek. Go cry about it, snowflake. Grandma, is everything okay? Sweetheart, I just gotta sing along. Hurry, Grandma, read the lyric to me now! What it is? The song lyric is what it is. What it is. Sweetheart, don't worry, I know the answer. You know it's not the same what it is. No, Grandma, that's As It Was by Harry Styles. Goodbye, sweetheart. I love you. Grandma. Why are you crying? Your grandma was old anyways. She's all I had left, Derek. Oh no, sing along. Karma is. Did you just get a sing along? I did. The words are karma is. Come on, give me a hint. You must know something. Come on, please help me. Karma is. Brianna, what's wrong? My grandma just passed away. When you know the words to the song, sing along. Sing along. When did it?
Deme?
Good morning. It's time to take your medicine.
Bombastic side eye.
No, Miss Applewood. There'll be no side-eyeing today. Now take your medicine.
You really thought you ate that?
No, I don't. But you need to eat your medicine.
No, I don't want my medication. I want girl dinner.
After you take your medicine.
Girl dinner.
No, please don't start singing again.
Girl dinner. Girl dinner.
All right, unplug your life support. Miss Applewood, you soiled yourself. Come on, let's go and get you cleaned up.
No, I'm in my pooping my pants era.
What happened to your clean girl era? Let's bring that back.
Clean girl aesthetic.
Exactly. Now let's go get washed up.
You're giving me the ick.
You're giving me the ick because you smell so bad. Where'd you get that? What are you eating?
My husband. Today we will be making our last girl dinner.
Miss Applewood, are you on your phone again? Your grandchildren don't want you to have too much screen time.
Mind your business, Susan! What is our dessert? Moldy muffins. Yes, that's my favorite food. I need my glasses. Cake? No. Too sweet. Need some mold on it. Pizza? No. Too cheese. Too much cheese! No! Yes. Toenail clippings. What's my drink? Wash it all down with the 7-Up. Good. Girl dinner. Hummus? Delectable. Red olives, alright. No, I'm not taking my vitamins.
Miss Applewood, you need to take your vitamins.
No, I told you I'm not taking my vitamins, Susan.
See, this is why I told you to stop yelling so much.
I don't yell. Anyways, scrumdiddlyumptious.
Miss Applewood, your grandchildren are here to see you.
Tell them to go home, I'm busy.
You're not busy.
I'm trying to see what kind of dog I am. Today I will be seeing who has a crush on me. 6'5" could climb that like a tree.
Miss Applewood, what did you just say?
No one's talking to you, Susan. Bartender, I don't know because I'm a material girl. He doesn't make that much money. Cancer, oh, he's a 10 out of 10 in looks.
No one would ever have a crush on you, Miss Applewood, because you're not a very nice lady.
That's not true, Susan. I have a husband. Now, what is this filter? I'm a fan. Susan! Susan!
Why are you spinning?
I don't know, but make it stop!
Everyone, here are your soulmate heart lockets. Only your soulmate will have the key to your heart, and only you will have the key to their heart. Jake is going to be your soulmate for sure. You guys are made for each other.
You guys really think so?
Hey, Brianna, do you think I could see if we're soulmates? Ew, Nerdy Nathan? Imagine your soulmate is Nerdy Nathan?
No, Nathan, there's no way you're my soulmate. You're a nerd.
That was a little harsh. Here's your test back, Brianna. No way, you got 100%. You're smart.
No.
Brianna, are you a nerd now? You should quit cheerleading and join the chess club with Nerdy Nathan.
Thanks a lot, Nathan. Jake, it's time to see if we have the key to each other's hearts.
I really hope you're my soulmate. You're the hottest girl in the school.
And what else?
That's it, you're hot. Nothing else matters, babe.
I guess.
Does it fit?
Brianna, I like you. Ew, Timmy! Ugh! Why did I just get money? Mommy, today at school, when Timmy said he liked me, I got money.
Honey, that's because every time someone has a crush on you, you get money.
So you're saying I could be rich?
Hey girl, do you want to go to the mall after school?
I can't, I'm broke.
How are you broke? Just go get boys to like you.
I don't know how to get boys to like me.
It's easy. Just do the bend and snap method.
Bend and snap method?
Drop something on the floor and go to pick it up.
Hey boys.
Don't talk to us.
Oops.
Whoa!
I got it.
Bro, I caught that on video.
That bend and snap method of yours really works. I'm making bank.
It's because of this. Look, the video the boys took of you went viral.
No way!
Uh-oh, Brianna? Uh-oh, Brianna? There's a new video. You might want to see this.
Oops. Whoa. I got it.
He said it's giving boys the ick. When someone crushes on you, you get money. But if you give them the ick, you lose it.
But it's not fair. I didn't fart, and I don't really look like that. No, I've almost lost all of my crushes. Does it say who posted that video?
It was Jake.
Jake!
Hey, Farty.
Chad, where's Jake?
I'm not telling you. Look, it's Farty Pin.
Jake! Jake, take the video down. It's making me lose all my money and my crushes.
I'm not taking the video down because I don't want you to have any crushes.
Why not?
Because I'm in love with you.
Huh? Huh?
Oh my. Someone made another edit of you.
Huh?
Oh my, someone made another edit of you. It's Farty Pin.
What the? Who even took that video?
I took it. I saw you standing there so lovely, and I just couldn't help myself.
Timmy, you still have a crush on me?
Brianna, marry me, please. Just give me a chance. Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, are you all right? They were a little crazy.
Yeah, I'm fine. Maybe having so many crushes isn't that great.
Don't worry. I'll protect you. Brianna, did you see that new edit of you? You must have lots of new crushes now.
Yeah, I did. I have enough money to go with you to the mall after school now.
Hey, Brianna, I really enjoyed spending time with you today. I really like you. Do you think maybe we could go on a date sometime?
Jake, I've had a crush on you for years. But when you tried to destroy my image, that gave me the ick.
Here, this is your future pill.
Future pill?
Yeah, it tells you what your future career will be.
Gold digger? But that's not even a career. I need a new pill.
Can't. Everyone only gets one. Hey, did you take your future career pill? No way, you got gold digger?
Shh! We don't need to draw attention to it.
Everyone look, Brianna's future career is a gold digger. Stay away from her, boys. All right, everyone, you can partner up for these math worksheets.
Hey, Derek, can you help me? I don't understand anything.
No, don't talk to me. You just want to take my money.
What money?
Did you take your future pill yet? No, I haven't taken it yet. I have it right here. I'll take it when we get back from the assembly. Good idea. Let's go.
No way, so cool. I'm gonna be a mafia boss? Well, if I'm gonna be a mafia boss, I better start dressing the part.
Someone stole my future pill. Now I'm gonna have no future. Hey, look, it's the... Ah! Since when are you going to be a mafia boss? I'm scared.
Now that I'm gonna be a mafia boss, no one will mess with me.
Sorry.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Please don't hurt me. Bree, how is it possible that your future career changed? You only get one pill.
Don't know, and I don't care.
Can't believe it. Someone stole my future pill and now I don't get a future. I'm gonna be jobless. I know who stole your future career pill. It was Brianna. Her future career all of a sudden just changed. I got you the new dolly you wanted.
Thank you, I love...
Stop. You can't ever say I love YOU. If you say it to someone who's not your soulmate, you'll lose all memory of the person you said it to. Hey, baby, I got you lunch.
Aw, thank you, babe. You're amazing.
I think it's time for us to say the L word.
But Evan, what if you're not my soulmate? I don't want to forget you.
It's okay. You don't need to forget me. I'll just say it then. I love you.
Evan?
Who are you? How do you know my name?
I'm your girlfriend.
I don't even know you. You're not my girlfriend, you bitch.
Hey, Emily. Evan told me he loved me today.
Brianna, that's great.
He forgot me.
Oh, no.
I need to make him fall for me again. Even if we're not soulmates, I don't want to lose him. Emily? Evan? Emily, how could you kiss Evan? I love him. And I
Brianna, don't say it.
love you. Emily, how could you kiss Evan? I love him. And I
Brianna, don't say it.
love you.
No, Brianna. Brianna.
How do you know my name?
I'm not sure, but my name's Emily. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Brianna, I really like your sweater. It's so cute.
Thank you. It's new. I just bought it. My ex just came in. He told me he loved me today and then forgot me.
Whatever. Don't worry about him. You deserve so much better.
Thanks, but how would you know? You don't even know me.
I don't have to know you. It's obvious. Did you see? Evan was looking at you the whole class.
Whatever. He lost his chance. Hey, Emily.
Yeah?
I never forgot you.
What? Here's your lunch.
Thank you? What is this?
Hurry now, you don't want to be late for school.
Mom, you've kissed that many people?
Excuse me?
Gross.
Hey, bestie.
Hey. No way. You haven't had your first kiss yet?
What are you talking about? I've definitely had my first kiss.
Come on, it's me. You can tell me the truth.
I am telling the truth. I've kissed like 6 guys.
Okay. I believe you.
I'm telling the truth. Hey, baby.
Babe. 15? Ooh, well, as long as they were before he met me, I guess.
Good morning, baby. I got you flowers.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
Anything for you. Is everything okay? What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. I'll see you later, okay?
Love you.
Bestie, I really need to talk to you about something. You see, my boyfriend... No way. Bestie, you've had your first kiss?
I already told you, I had my first kiss a long time ago. I've kissed tons of guys.
Why do you keep lying to me?
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Isn't it? Hey, do you know where Brianna is? She's been avoiding me all day. No clue.
Bestie, could you be honest with me for once? Did you kiss my boyfriend? Because I saw that your kiss count went up and his kiss count went up.
First of all, how do you know our kiss counts? And no, I didn't kiss your boyfriend. I don't even like men. That's why I've been lying, saying I've kissed a bunch of guys. I was nervous about coming out, and I didn't want to tell you this way.
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to know who my boyfriend cheated on me with. Could I buy 1 bottle of air, please?
That'll be $500.
$500? Are you serious? It went up again?
Yeah, air's in high demand right now. It's just business.
Okay, here.
Here's your air. Oh no, honey, we're almost out of air. Can you go buy us a 12-pack case of bottled air?
A case of air? That's really expensive now. Are you sure we can afford it?
We'll have to try. Here, take my credit card.
Okay. Hi, can I just get a 12-pack of bottled air, please?
That'll be $5,000.
5,000? It went up again?
Air's hard to get nowadays.
Okay.
It's declined.
Please just give me some bottles. My family has no air left.
Run a business. If you can't afford it, get lost.
What's that over there?
Over where? Hey, get back here.
Mom, I'm back.
Why did you only get 5 bottles of air? I asked you to buy a case.
I know, but your card was declined, so I stole it.
You stole them? What if the police catch you?
What was I supposed to do? We were out of air. I had no choice. Just drink your air. Don't worry about it. I need to get more air for my family. I'm only gonna ask nicely once. Put all the air you have into this bag right now.
No, I'm calling the police.
I didn't want to have to do this.
What is that? Ah, my eyes!
Yeah, Mom. I grabbed as many bottles as I could.
Mommy, can I have a bottle of air? It's hard to breathe. I'm sorry, honey, but I don't have any bottles left. It's too expensive now. Just close your eyes and rest. I'm scared.
Here. I got lots of bottles. You can have some of mine.
Mr. Strawberry, I love...
Stop. Don't say I love you. Honey, it's time you know. When you say I love you to someone who doesn't love you back, you'll lose all your memory. That's why I only say I love you to Daddy and my children, because they're the ones I know that love me back.
Good morning, Mom.
Who are you? Where am I? What am I doing here? What is this place?
Mom, do you remember anything?
I'm your mom?
You lost your memory. Dad, something's going on with Mom. She doesn't remember anything. Did she say I love you to anyone?
Yeah, to me. Last night. I'm sorry, but I lost feelings for your mother.
So it's your fault. You don't love Mom anymore and she lost her memory?
It's not what I intended to happen. Truthfully, I've met another woman. But don't worry, I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad?
I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad? Dad, you lost your memory? That means I don't love...
Open up. We're the memory police.
The memory police are here?
Who's that?
Mom! Mom, please, you have to remember something. The memory police are here.
I'm your mom?
Yes, that's all you have to say.
Open up!
The door's open. Come in.
Are all memories intact here?
Of course. Who are you?
I'm your mom?
See?
What is this place? I don't know where I am. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
Goodbye, Dad. Mom, I have to go to school now. Just stay safe and don't do anything until I come home. I love... No, I can't say it. Of course you wouldn't love me. I'm a stranger to you.
I love you.
How do you know that word?
Babe, there you are. I think it's time we say the L word.
No, I don't want to say it. I've already lost someone because of that word.
Don't worry. You don't have to say it. I'll say it.
No, don't say it. I
love you. Who are you? Where am I? I'm scared. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
It's Mom. Mom? She has no memory left. How would she know how to use a phone?
Did you just say your mom has no memory? How is she not taken away yet?
No, she has her memory. I was just joking. Mom, I came running back from school. Is everything okay? Are you okay?
I'm your mom?
I think you called by mistake.
Memory police, open up.
Come in.
We're taking your mother.
No, you can't. She's all I have. Take me with her.
Your memories are intact.
I love you.